Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Family Island farming game. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental cycle of planting crops, crafting tools, and exploring new areas. Your initial tasks involve clearing small obstacles like a few trees and stones to make space for essential buildings. Always prioritize completing the main story quests, as they provide valuable rewards and guide your early progression. Remember to manage your energy wisely, as it is a crucial resource for all your island activities, ensuring steady advancement. Efficient resource management is key to thriving on your island. Always prioritize planting crops that offer the best return in terms of experience points and coins, such as corn or pumpkins. Make sure to craft essential tools and items at your workshops, like axes and pickaxes, which are vital for gathering. Regularly collect all available resources, including wood, stone, and various food items. Don't forget to upgrade your storage buildings to accommodate the increasing number of valuable items you will acquire. Energy is your most precious resource for exploration and progress. Strategically use your energy points, perhaps 25 at a time, for clearing larger obstacles and completing demanding tasks. Venture out to discover new islands, as they often hold unique resources and present exciting new challenges. Cooking various meals at your campfire or kitchen is an excellent way to restore your energy quickly. Also, actively participate in special in-game events to earn bonus energy and acquire rare, valuable rewards. To truly advance, consistently upgrade your existing buildings. This unlocks new crafting recipes and boosts production efficiency. Engage in trading with the traveling merchants who visit your island, exchanging surplus goods for items you desperately need. Consider joining a family or team within the game to receive daily gifts, share resources, and get assistance from other players. Always keep an eye on your long-term goals, ensuring sustainable growth and a thriving, prosperous island for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.